Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So first let's create a new composition. So let's click here and add name pixel background and then click OK. And now let's go to here and right mouse, new, and let's click to solid. And let's make it, I'm gonna use yellow, and let's use this color and click OK. And let's rename it to background. And then go to FX presets and let's search for fractal noise. And let's drag and drop to our background. Nice. Now let's change the contrast. Okay, let's use it 700. I think this one is good. Let's make a movement. Let's click here to make a keyframe for evolution and then go to the end. Let's write here 1. Let's check it. Okay, nice. And now go to FX presets again and let's search for mosaic. But as you said, there are 2 mosaics, so I'm gonna use this one firstly, but if you don't have this one, so I'm gonna use the second way for as well. So let's use the first now. Okay, as you said, it's already pixelated, but let's change the colors. So I'm gonna use the yellow and let's use this color like this and click OK. And the shadow color, I'm gonna use dark yellow. Let's make it like that. Okay, this one is good. Let's preview it. Okay, it's a little bit fast. So let's try the second mosaic effect. So let's delete these ones. And now let's select this mosaic and let's double click to it. Actually, the difference between of these mosaic effects, the first difference is that you can change this rectangle size by yourself. I'm gonna use 15 to 15. So it will be more better. And the second difference is that you can change the color. For that you need to use another effect. And the third effect that I'm gonna use to change the color is tint. Let's search for it and let's double click to it. Okay, nice. And now let's change the color. Let's make it light yellow. Okay, and the shadow colors, let's make it dark yellow like this. And click OK. And let's preview it. Okay, nice. If you ask me, this one is more better than the first one, because you can edit some settings from there and etc. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.